Tayo'y nagkakatipon ngayon sa harapan ng Diyos upang pagbuklurin sina kapatid na Mark Ryan Gueres at Gay Angeli Libuit sa pamamagitan ng banal na pagkakasal.
Hi Tabs, ayos di ba? May pa-letter si Mayor at papel pa ng linden. Di ko alam paano gagawin to. You know, it's not my thing. Pero para sa'yo, let's do this. Since I was young, I always pray to God na sana lalo pa niya akong ilapit sa Kanya, lead me to the right path and always make me happy. Then nakilala kita. Di man love at first sight kasi sabi mo nga madaming nanliligaw sa'yo. Kaya I'm like, loh, ganda mo te. Hanggang sa naging close tayo, pina-fall mo ko. At natanggap ko ang matagal ko nang hiling sa Ama. All-in package, kumbaga. It's you who made me closer to Him, guide me to the right path, and who always make me happy. A simple wish from a child that was granted to a gentleman.
Tabs, tomorrow we will be celebrating our 6th year together. Who would have thought that by then we will finally be Mr. and Mrs. Karen?
Collision in the stillness, still see it, can't get it out of my mind. Started counting up the losses, weight sinking, water began to rise.
Magkaklase kami nung college. Kasi black section kami.
Dahil doon napunta sa circle of friends namin si Ryan.
Tapos, friends, close. Tapos barkada. Tapos, ayun. Tapos as in super close. Lagi ko siyang pinupunta sa kanila. Tapos, dinadala ng pagkain. Kasi mahilig kami kumain.
So, ayun. Kaya naging close kami. Tapos, hanggang nilandi niya na ako. Hindi niya kinaya.
Ready to fall.
Dahil dito'y iiwan ng lalaki ang kanyang ama't ina at makikisama sa kanyang asawa at ang dalawa ay magiging isang laman. Kaya hindi na sila dalawa, kundi isang laman. Ang pinapagsama nga ng Diyos ay huwag papaghiwalayin ng tao.
I've been holding in everything. I just wanna say the words out loud.
Tabs, you will always be my first, last, and forever. We started out as nothing, but it never felt like nothing. You were all I had to find. Let's build a big little life. And may God always lead us. Love, Tabs.
Ready to fall. I'm leaving it all behind. I'm ready to fall. All of these ghosts, I'm letting them go this time. So cut the line.
Isang mabait na babae, sinong makakasumpong sapagkat ang kanyang halaga ay higit na makapupo kaysa mga rubi. Ang puso ng kanyang asawa ay tumitiwala sa kanya at sa hindi kukulangin ng pakinabang.
Wala po akong ibang masasabi kundi sana mamuhay sila na nasa gitna lagi nila ang Panginoong Jesus upang ang kanilang buhay ay maging maayos, ligtas lagi sa anumang sakuna at kapahamakan, mabuo ang kanilang pamilya na laging kapiling ang ating Panginoon upang sila'y magkaroon ng maayos na pamumuhay at makabuo sila ng isang pamilya na isang huwaran upang mapagtagumpayan nila ang kanilang buhay.
Matagal kami magkasama ni Angelis. Simula pagkabata kami na yung magkasama. So, kilala ko siya. Minsan matigas ulo niya pero matatag siyang babae. Hanggat kaya niya, hindi niya papakita sa'yo na nasaktan siya. Kaya sana alagaan mo yung feelings niya. Kasi minsan nasasaktan na siya, hindi niya talaga pinapakita sa amin yun. She's a very strong woman. And I'm very proud of her. Kaya, siya lang yung nag-iisa kong kapatid na babae. Pero ayoko sanang umiyak, pinipigilan ko lang.
I just want the happy couple to know that I am really happy and very proud of them. And I'm grateful to be able to stand here and witness your wedding. So, ang wish ko sa inyong dalawa is maging masaya for the rest of your lives. And I want you to be filled with love to each other, that no matter what problem or challenge you will face in your married life, ay malalampasan nyo together with the help of your family and your friends.
Their kilig moments, their future plans, to their LQs, heartaches, and their fling-flings. Yung one story na she siguro entrusted her to share sa akin, was once upon a time their relationship was I think para sa akin it was a major conflict. Ryan was hindi siya kapatiran, and Ryan did a heroic move.
I just want you to know that I will always be thankful to God for you. You see me in my good times and in bad. You know how I needed to be strong for the people around me. But during my weakest moments, those moments that I'm losing my confidence, nakakayak pala to, kalakite. When I just wanted to cry and break down, you were there. Thank you for rubbing my back, hugging me tight, and staying by my side. time comes that it's your turn to cry, I will wipe your tears dry. When you're tired, I will be your strength. And when the burden is too much, I will help you carry it. I will try to make you happy with my corny jokes and with my nakakairitang kaingayan. Thank you for letting me choose the movie for us to watch, lalo na pag Korean with subtitle o kaya pag Thai movie na love story. Thank you for opening the door for me and letting me walk on the safe side of the road. Thank you for not judging me, for always supporting me, and for the constant positivity. Thank you for sticking by my side all this time. I promise to always love you, even when I don't like you very much. I can't promise not to hate you, but I promise to choose you every day and to make a constant decision to love you even when it's hard. I will always remember you saying that our relationship is perfect with all its imperfections. You are my greatest adventure, my reality, and my home all in one.
At nakita kita sa takbuhan ni Bathala, may kinang sa mata na di
Ama, sa bagong buhay po namin tatahakin bilang mag-asawa. Patuloy po namin hiling sa inyo. Kayo nawa po patuloy na manguna at lumabay sa aming dalawa. Sa mga pagkakataong kami po yung sinusubok ng mga problema, patuloy niyo pa po kaming tulungan na mas mapagtibay pa po ang aming pananampalataya. Pagkaloob niyo pong maging mabuti kaming mag-asawa at mga magulang sa aming mga magiging anak.
siyang panalangin ko.
Ako po si Mr. Delio Perez, ang magulang po ni Mark Ryan.
At
Ako nagpapasalamat at sinagustuhan.
hindi
Good luck.
mapaliwanag ang nangyari sa akin. Saksi ang lahat ng tala sa iyong panalangin. Paano nasagot lahat
I would like to believe that when God made you, He was thinking about me. This is it. The answer to your question na gaano kita kamahal. Gusto kita makasama habang buhay sa hirap man o sa ginhawa. I'm actually writing this while I'm having butterflies in my stomach. Yes, English.
Nung nakita kita sa tagpuan ni Bathala, may kinang sa mata na di maintindihan. Tumingin kung saan, sinubukan kong lumisan at tumigil ang mundo. Nung ako'y ituruma, at hindi ka lumayo. Nung ako yung sumusuko at nagbago ang mundo. Nung ako'y pinaglaban mo.
With you, I find solace, and I'll forever be grateful.
At tumigil
I love you, Tops. Advance happy 6th anniversary.
nung ako